Welcome to your morning meditation for positive energy. Find a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Now, close your eyes if you haven't already, and take another deep breath in. As you inhale, imagine drawing in positive, vibrant energy. Feel this energy filling every part of your being, and as you exhale, release any tension or negative thoughts. Let them drift away with your breath. Now, bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Don't try to change anything, just observe the natural rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, you're inviting calmness and positivity. With each exhale, you're letting go of stress and negativity. Imagine now that you are in a beautiful, serene place, perhaps a peaceful garden or a sunny beach. Picture yourself surrounded by warm, golden light. This light is filled with positive energy, love, and warmth. Allow yourself to soak in this light, feeling its gentle embrace around you. As you bask in this golden light, visualize it entering your body with each breath. See it flowing through your veins, filling every cell with positive energy. Let this feeling of warmth and light expand from your core, radiating outward to every part of your being. Now, let's focus on a few affirmations. Repeat them silently to yourself or out loud if you prefer. I am filled with positive energy and light. I embrace this new day with joy and enthusiasm. I attract positivity and peace into my life. I am open to new opportunities and experiences. Feel these affirmations resonating within you. Imagine them growing stronger with each breath you take, reinforcing your sense of positivity and readiness for the day. Take a moment now to express gratitude for this new day and the opportunities it brings. Reflect on something or someone you're grateful for, and let this feeling of gratitude fill your heart. As we come to the end of this meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of positivity and calm with you into the day. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation. May your day be filled with positive energy and joy. Remember to take a few moments for yourself whenever you need to center your mind and uplift your spirit. If you enjoyed this meditation, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guided meditations. Have a wonderful day.